If you hadn't already read the title of this video, you'd be wondering why I'm pulling a little kid sled around. Today, we're going snowmobile camping, which a lot of you have requested for a long time now, and I haven't been camping once this year, and we're gonna change that today. Am I gonna need my tent? Yeah. Am I gonna be able to fit everything on here? I hope so. It's a big enough sled, I think so. We should be good to rock and roll. I think that's just about perfect length. Doesn't that sound nice? Now we are going up the mountain somewhere. I don't know where we're gonna end up. I think I'm gonna go grab some wood actually. We'll pile some wood in the extra space we got, so we can use that for our fire tonight. Let's see how she pulls this thing. Smooth. Real smooth. This is gonna be great. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Oh, this is just wet stuff, but maybe we can find some stuff. Ooh, see how this would be great. Kindling. It's a little wet, but once the fire gets going, we can use it. Oh yeah, all those chips. This is gonna be a good fire. Right here would be, yeah, that's the good stuff. That's a good one. I don't have too much in here, but I don't have too much room either. So I think that's enough to cook our dinner. And I think we're set to go. Let's go find a place to camp. I was gonna get one of those jet sleds that have a little bit more of a sidewall to them, but I had this for free, so. Oh yeah, my sleeping bag's getting plastered. That's the one downfall. Maybe I could build like a little shield for it. Catching some snow in my pan too. Okay, I gotta figure out where I want to go. I thought about up the mountain. I thought about in our gravel pit. I thought about just right out in the field. I think it's gonna be a nice night. Oh wow, that's getting plastered. I don't know, let me do some thinking. Let's see how we're doing back there. Well, I caught the snow I need to boil water. Oh man. Oh, she's getting packed. Okay. So we learned a lesson already. We need a shield in the front. Kind of like a salt shield on a trailer. I think I'm going to do that. Maybe a piece of plastic. Cup it around. Something like that. It'll be dark here in about an hour and 20 minutes probably. So I better start thinking of where I want to be when that happens. There we go. And we're off again. It involves me going up the road a little bit, but there's an Adirondack shack which we've camped at before, usually with Mike and Ethan. But that's always fun, so maybe I'll go over there. I just got to keep an eye on my inventory back there. I get some mud mixed in with that snow, yeah. I don't know how fast we're going. The sled's holding up good. Finally we get on an actual trail here. Oh, bump. Still there. Oh, yeah, okay. Still got my wood. Yeah, it's starting to get dark. Oh, we're almost there, I think. See if I can remember how to get there. I wanted to take the Elan but I took it out of the truck, had it all prepped, ready to go. I went to go fire it up and she didn't start. So I don't know what's up with that, but I thought it'd be cool to take the 71 for a rip, camping at least. Somebody else has been here on a sled. Alright, fellas and ladies, and that's about it. Well, I guess we'll shut this off for now. Scope out the scene. Hopefully there's no people over here. I don't see any footsteps, so. Is there a dead body? No dead body, but they left us some wood. So that'll make up for the lack of wood I have. Have to clear out our fire pit. That's it. This will be our home for the night. Snowmobile camping. I did bring my tent, which I guess I didn't have to, but before everything gets completely soaked, let's get my sleeping bag and that underneath some shelter here. I don't think it's going to snow tonight. I think it's going to be pretty calm. Oh, she's soaked. Whatever. They say it's waterproof. Oh, you know what I forgot? I'm such a failure. I forgot I brought some sausages to cook, and they're at the house. I'm not terribly far, so I might go back and get them, but that sucks. At least I can take a little rip before it gets dark. Take the sled off, leave it here. I don't think anybody's gonna be coming out here to steal my stuff, so. All right, I'm gonna bomb back and get the sausages, because otherwise it'll be a long night. Ooh, a little bit steep over here. Oh, that's a rock. Under here. Oh. For those of you who didn't watch one of the last videos, the river flooded in this field, and then it froze, so it's just like a sheet of ice under here. Thinking I want to back down in there just because it's cool. That's good enough. I guess the first thing I'll do is clear off a spot for our fire. There's some heavy snow sliding off the roof here. Whoops. Got a nice little spot kicked out. Looks like some old coals. Should do the job. Some of the drier stuff, that's wet. It didn't fare too well on the ride over, but see what we can do. I'm just dripping sweat right now, which is not good when you're camping. Steak and potato. I do have my little cook stove with me, but we want to do this the real way. I got a lighter. I would like to find some birch bark. That is what we like to see. It's a little saturated. Didn't even see this before. That's the one. That's gonna do it, if we still have enough in our lighter. You can just hear the water sizzling out of the wood. I don't know, guys. It's a struggle. It's just so wet. I tried grabbing some off the branches, but even that's just soaked. Everything's all iced up, and I don't think it's happening, but thankfully we got a cook stove. Check this out. Illumination. I think we can hang it right on here. Portable cook stove. Always good. I bought this for like $3 from China. Literally straight from China. Hey. Alright, sausages. Where you at? Ooh. Oh yeah. Like I said, I forgot the key ingredient, butter, but we'll give that a shot. You guys let me know in the comments if you like what I'm doing here, because it's not really, I mean, it is snowmobile related. Don't worry, I'm not taking my pants off. Just grabbing my Leatherman. It's not really snowmobile related, but, or mostly it's camping, but see that? Shout out to Brandon Stuckey for my hot dog poker. Oh, it smells good. And while that's cooking, we're gonna get our sleeping bag set up. Hopefully it's not too wet. Rain jacket, don't need that. Pillow, whoopee. Got my summer bag with my bivvy. Right now it's pretty warm. It's about, it's a 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Check our sausage real quick. Ooh, she's sticking a little bit. And this is the sleeping quarters for tonight. Just as night falls upon us, should be fun. I'm gonna go for it. Got a nice little char on it. That's actually really good. It's like a red pepper sausage. Pretty good. And tonight, for dessert, we are dining on World Sweets. Travis gave me this. He bought this in Egypt. It says it's good, so, I mean, it's gotta be. What the heck is this? Is it a pecan with a marshmallow? Probably gonna regret this about midnight tonight and have to run out into the woods, but I don't know what that is. I have no idea. And I'm about to eat this. Oh, it's frozen. I can only eat the top, but the top's pretty good. Probably 5:30 right now, but I've been riding snowmobiles all day, so I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna hide the food, and I'm gonna hop in that sleeping bag, and we're gonna see you in the morning. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. Hope I survive. Good morning. Can't even see me. Good morning. We survived another one. It is raining out, as you can hear. Yeah, it's gonna be a rainy ride back. Oh. You always stuff up your jacket and then put your pillow on it, but it makes for a really nice, comfy pillow along with a chunk of wood. Always a plus. Didn't even have any visitors last night. Yeah. There you have it, folks. All right, let's ride out of here. See if I can get out of this hole. Nope. Figured that would be an issue. That'll do it. Hey. Nice. Whoa, blowout. Got a little too fast on that one. That was funny. Get back in there, you stay in there. I thought I had jammed it pretty good, but I guess not. Going downhill's a little tricky because the sled wants to run right into the track. I kind of have to keep my speed up. Oh, another blowout. It's such an incline, it's just the sled is going quicker than my snowmobile. Wait a second. Oh, I lost my tent. Gotcha. I did pull out a bunch of bungees to bungee the stuff on the sled, but I didn't bring them. All right, I'm gonna try to just hold on to it. I probably could sit on it, honestly. Let's try that. Oh yeah, that's perfect. There we go. All right. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more camping videos, and I will see you next time. Thanks, friends. I appreciate you all.